morning, listener, whoever you are. Here I am with Anna, will give you a news. President Joko Widodo today, Wednesday, January 13, 2021, at the Merdeka Palace, Jakarta, is the first person to receive vaccine in the free mass vaccination program in Indonesia. This vaccination is the starting point for implementing national vaccination in Indonesia as an effort to deal with the COVID-19 pandemic. At around 9:36 p.m., the president towards the terrace of the Merdeka Palace, which had been laid out like vaccination simulation site at the Puskesmas some time ago. Before being injected with the vaccine, the president first registered and verified data as well as health screening, including body temperature and blood pressure. The result of the health screening by officers showed that president's temperature when he was checked was 36.3 degrees Celsius and blood pressure 167 millimeters of mercury. The president also responded a number of questions about medical history until he was declared healthy and fit for vaccination. The head of state then to the next table where the injection is carried out. As for acting as the presidential vaccinator is the deputy chairperson of the presidential Prof. Dr. Abdul Muttalib SPPD Com, assisted by an assistant who prepared the equipment. The vaccinator appears to be injecting the vaccine in the president. Around 9:42 p.m., the injection process ran safely and smoothly. "How, sir?" asked the vaccinator. "Nothing at all," replied the president. To note, the vaccine that was injected into the president was the corona vaccine made by Sinovac Life Sciences Co., Ltd. in collaboration with PT Bio Farma Persero. The vaccine has gone through a number of clinical trials involving 1,620 volunteers in Bandung. The vaccine has also obtained an emergency use permit from the Food and Drug Substansi (BPOM) and has been declared holy and halal by the Indonesia Ulama Council (MUI) so that it can be used for the vaccination program in Indonesia. After the injection, the president followed the process of observing the possibility of a post-military assistance event KIPI. In the Oval Room, Merdeka Palace, for about 30 minutes, the president appeared to be active as usual after the vaccination process and was seen chatting with State Secretary Pratikno. The Sinovac vaccine required the injection of 0.5 ml each with an interval of 14 days. For this reason, vaccine recipient will receive a vaccination card and be reminded to receive vaccines for the second time. Previously, when giving a statement on Wednesday, December 16, 2020, at the Merdeka Palace, Jakarta, the president emphasized that the head of state would receive the first COVID-19 vaccine. This is to ward off public doubts about the safety of the vaccine provided. I also want to emphasize again later I will be the first recipient to be vaccinated for the first time. This is give trust and confidence to the public that the vaccine used are safe, he said at the time Ministry of State's Public Relations. Okay, listener, wherever you are, thanks for watching and listening to the news. Here I am with Anna. Thanks and have a nice day. See you.